Hey everybody, I'm Derek Crane and this is Tutorial Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about jump rope progressions. These progressions are a great way to build more neural activity and a great way to be able to build hand-eye coordination and add in a variety of exercises just into your regular routine. So what we're going to do is just go right over the progressions. So the beginning progression here is just going to be out and in. So even without your jump rope, you can just put your jump rope to the side. What you're going to do with your feet is go out and in. So go ahead and do 20 of those. When you're done with those, then you're going to go ahead and grab your jump rope. And while jumping, you're going to go out and in, out and in, out and in, out and in. This is the first progression. A great way to hone in on every single progression is to do 4 sets of 20 of each one. The next one that we'll do is called scissors. So what you're going to need to do is with the feet, you're going to jump 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Again, doing a set of 20 without the jump rope. And then go ahead and grab your jump rope and going into the scissors of going frontwards and backwards with the feet. Again, going 4 sets of 20 there. The next one, so moving into a little bit more of an advanced movement, what you're going to do is you're going to go out with the feet and then cross them. Again, without the jump rope, do a set of 20, and then go ahead and grab your jump rope, and then with your jump rope, do the out and the cross. These are the 3 progressions leading you forward. Again, doing 4 sets of 20. And then you'll get to the point where what you'll want to do is do a variety of all of them while you're jumping. So just even doing singles, into out and ins, right into the scissors, right into the out with the crosses. So adding variety to your entire workout. So definitely go to our Tutorial Tuesday playlist from our YouTube channel. Check out the single unders if you're newer to jump roping. Great video about talking about the jump rope itself and also the entire exercise of being able to do the single unders. If you're ready to progress to the next level from the progressions that we've done today and you're ready to go into double unders, check out our double unders video under the same Tutorial Tuesday playlist. Being able to go into double unders. There's just a quick little glance at what double unders look like, and I go more in depth about being able to accomplish those and add those into your workouts. Thank you guys today for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. Definitely hit that like, that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.